Natural remedies for high blood pressure. Major causes for death in the USA and reason for any heart disease is the bad food that people consume. The large amount of salt, unhealthy fats and the hidden sugar trigger any possible kind of many dangerous diseases. You should consider to start being physically active, to maintain normal weight, and as most important to always keep an eye on your cholesterol and blood pressure. Start avoiding alcohol and stop smoking cigarettes. Consider starting with all this mentioned above things if you want to protect your health and prevent many diseases. This is one home remedy recipe that will keep you healthy and will make great changes to your organism. Ingredients: 1 glove of minced garlic, 1/2 lemon juice, 1/2 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon organic honey. Health benefits. Garlic, this is the most useful vegetable ever. It prevents atherosclerosis, reduces triglycerides, cholesterol and blood sugar. Ginger, it lowers triglycerides and cholesterol, and it is even more beneficial to those people who are dealing with diabetes, nephritic syndrome, alcoholism and hypothyroidism. Apple cider vinegar decreases the triglycerides and cholesterol, normalizes the blood sugar and the insulin, and it is great for diabetics who have type 2 diabetes. Honey, first of all, consume honey regularly and you will prevent the accumulation of cholesterol in your blood vessels. Eat more natural fats and avoid processed foods also. Keep in mind to increase your physical activity as much as you can.